Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace forward flex side mirror. Start by parking on level ground and gathering tools, replacement mirror, panel tools, and a socket set. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Remove the interior, trim carefully to access mirror fasteners without damaging clips. Keep screws and clips organized so reassembly is easier. Test mirror motors and heating after reconnecting power to confirm proper installation. Begin removal by loosening the trim with a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches on the door. Locate and unplug the mirror electrical connector by pressing its release and pulling it free. Support the mirror from the outside while removing the 3 mounting nuts so it does not drop. Carefully slide the mirror away from the door and set it on a padded surface. Keep all hardware in a small container for reinstallation. Place the new mirror into position by aligning it with the studs or bolts and hand-threading the nuts to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the electrical plug and test power adjustments and heating before fully tightening fasteners to final torque. Once confirmed, torque the nuts evenly and reinstall the interior trim panel by pressing the clips back until they click. Clean fingerprints from the mirror and test everything again for smooth operation and proper fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.